Hello Programming 12, we're going to be taking a look at our first project of the year. This is going to be called the Color Game, and it is the final project of Unit 1, and it's going to sort of bring all the things we've been working on together into one single project and really help you get back into making larger scale things. Instead of just a little drawing here or there, we're going to make a full out game. So here is this game. I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you some resources about all the details, and then I'll lead you into some extra tutorials on how to make some of it work. Okay, so here we go. Here's the game. Ta-da! It is the Color Game. Color Theory is what I called this version, and you can call it whatever you want. True Color was a name that was being tossed around. I think that's great. So whatever you want to call the game is fine, but I'm going to call it the Color Game from here on in. So we're going to have the good old mode framework. So this is the intro screen. Please animate it in some fun way. Animate a GIF, have some fonts in there, pick a color palette, make it beautiful. Then we're going to start with pressing a button. Here's the button. I click and I begin the game. Now, I'm going to suck at this game because it's going to go by way too fast, so please bear with me. The basic idea is it will show you a puzzle. It'll consist of a word that is filled with a color, and the word will be also a color. So if the word matches its fill color, then you select matching. And if it does not match, then you select not matching. And you get score as you do it correctly. There's also a time limit. So if you run out of time, game over. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to try and play it. Whew. Here we go. Green is green. And so is green. And orange is orange, but blue and red don't match. Oh, oranges. Oh, blue. Oh, I'm getting lots of matching ones. I'm having trouble keeping up. Okay. Yeah, oh, I'm doing pretty good. I'm gonna just get stopped. Oh, I'm low battery. Well, that's good to know. Okay, so that's basically the game, and we eventually get to the game over screen, which shows us our score and the best score we've gotten yet, and then it starts over. So you can see there's a soundtrack that is playing, and there's also sound effects when I guess correctly. And then when I guess incorrectly as well, there's a different sound effect. Those are all available on Teams, by the way, as is the document that shows you all the criteria. It's right over here in Teams. Look at that. Go away, low battery. We're going to race this battery, make sure we outlast it. Hey, here's the music files. Here's the criteria document. The criteria document got all the stuff that you need to know, all written out in mode by mode. I think it should be good. So yeah, hopefully that gives you an idea. This music's so good. Hopefully this gives you an idea of what you're supposed to create. I'm going to be doing a couple more videos that'll give you some hints on how to do some of the trickier things, like how do you generate a random puzzle, and how do you check to see if the puzzle is matching or not matching. Maybe a couple other topics other than that, but those are the main ones, okay? So thanks everybody. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye everybody.